Morning children, this video is for class 2 students and the subject is computer. Nowadays we are doing revision, so just open your book, page number 16. It is your lesson number 3. It is our second revision 2. In revision 1 we have revised lesson number 2 and this is our lesson number 3 revision, and I have written here revision 2. So the name of this chapter is input and output devices. So first of all I am going to give you the quick revision of the chapter, different topics which you have to learn in this chapter. What is input device and what is output device? So first of all we will see what is input device. The device which is used for giving instructions to the computer for doing certain work is known as an input device. For example, keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse are the input devices in our computer system. Keyboard is used to feed data or instructions into the computer. The mouse is used to select, move or draw pictures on the screen. The next one, if you see that single click and double click, these two terms are related with our mouse. Single click and double click. Single click means to press the mouse button once to select an object, and double click means to press the mouse button twice in quick succession. The next topic is output device. The device which helps us in getting the output or the result on a computer, that is known as output device. For example, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Monitor. Monitor is used to display the result or output on the screen. Printer. Printer prints the result on a paper. The next one is speaker. Speaker produces sound when attached to a computer. Then the pen drive. Pen drive is used to store files or informations, etc. CD. CD stands for compact disc and it is also used for storing data, files and folders which can be limited depending upon the storage capacity. So these are the different topics about related with the input and output devices. And now we are moving to the exercise portion. It is our exercise portion from chapter number 3. And first one, you can see, complete the crossword puzzle with the help of the given clues. So first of all you have to read out all the clues and then find out the answer. First one, I have also written the numbering of all these clues, so it will be helpful for you for finding the answer. Number 1, can send message to the computer. It is our keyboard. Number 2, gives result on paper. It is printer. Number 3, brain of computer. Answer is CPU. Number 4, helps to draw picture. The answer is mouse. Number 5, produces sound sent by the CPU. Answer is speaker. Number 6, looks like a television. The answer is monitor. Now we are moving to next question. It is our question number 2. Find out the names of 4 parts of the computer from the given letter and write them in the boxes given below. You have to find out the name of the different devices of a computer system, different parts of computer system by using all these letters. So I have written here monitor, printer, UPS and keyboard. We are moving to next question. Question number 3. Tick on the correct device. Which device is correct, which is related with the statement, you have to tick on that. Number A, it is an input device, keyboard. So you have to tick here in keyboard. Number B, it is an output device. It is monitor. So tick on this, monitor. Number C, it prints the result on a paper. It is our printer. So tick on here in printer. Now these are the exercise portion. Some of the extra questions also I have given you, which you have already written in your copy. Hope so you have written. And now today I am going to give you the answer. The first one, what is the extra questions which I have prepared, that is this one. Definitions. Input device. The device which is used for giving instructions to the computer for doing certain work is known as an input device. For example, mouse and keyboard. Next question. Output device. The device which helps us in getting the output from a computer is known as an output device. For example, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Number 3. Single click. Single click means to press the mouse button once to select an object. Number 4. Double click. Double click means to press the mouse button twice in quick succession. Next question, that is, write about these input devices. Number 1. Keyboard. Keyboard is used to send instructions to the computer by pressing the keys or button on it. Number 2. Mouse. Mouse is used to select, move or to draw pictures on the screen. Next one, write about these output devices. Number 1. Monitor. Monitor is used to display output or result on the screen. Number 2. Printer. Printer is used to print the results on a paper. Some more are the output devices which we have to learn. Speaker. Speaker is used to produce sound when it is attached to a computer. Pen drive. Pen drive is used for storing files, informations, etc. Next one, CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is used for storing data, files and folders. So these are the different questions which you have to learn in this chapter, chapter number 3. And that's all for today's class. We are going to meet again in the next video with the next revision chapter, chapter number 4. So thank you and have a nice day.